Intel Core i9 processor combined with a factory overclocked NVIDIA GTX 1080 makes for a monster combination. By widening the CPU bottleneck just a little bit, the Alienware 17R5 proves NVIDIA's aging Maxwell GPUs still have a little performance to give by producing some of the highest graphics scores and frame rates in games we've seen from a gaming laptop. Alienware 17-inch gaming laptop wipes the floor with the Asus ROG G703Gi in all the 3D Mark tests. Though, it seems like Asus is able to keep its Core i9 part at a higher frequency, as it scores better in both Cinebench and Geekbench. This is likely due to the ROG G703Gi utilizing 2 power bricks, whereas the Alienware 17R5 only relies on 1. The extra throughput of the Intel Core i9 CPU also enables Asus 17-inch to run both Total War, Warhammer 2 and Shadow of War at 1080p and ultra-quality settings with slightly higher frame rates. Still, it's impressive that these two laptops have managed to overpower the previous graphics titan, Aorus X9, which came equipped with 2 NVIDIA GTX 1070s and SLI. Outside of our traditional benchmarking, the Alienware 17R5 runs Vermintide 2 at a steady 100 FPS even in the face of a giant AI-powered horde, as well as us running the game at max settings and 1440p. We see equally smooth experiences while playing State of Decay 2 and Far Cry 5, both running at an average 90 FPS even with VSync turned on.